Wrestling Pro. Some incredible looking t-shirts, I'm sure many of us would love to get one of those. Now CJ, over to you, my friend.
Thank you very much, Skip. Let's have it up for Skip, the face and voice of Ignite. Before I get to this big announcement, I just want to say thank you to every single person in here today, because today was our biggest ever sales and tickets, our biggest ever attendance, over 200 people packed out in here, and this is our biggest ever Ignite show. And it is also down to these guys and their team. I just want to say thank you so much to the Hitting the Turnbuckle podcast, the entire team. They came together, we partnered on this show together earlier in the year. This is what we brought you, and without them, this wouldn't have happened either. So let's hear it. This is where the announcement comes in. The partnership doesn't end here, it carries on. And right here we have something to show you very special to all of us. Let me introduce to you the Turnbuckle Championship, sponsored by Hitting the Turnbuckle. Change it up, not change it right here. That's perfect, because on the next show, September 17th, it's called Gold Rush for a reason, because we'll have not one, but 2 title matches, and we'll be crowning our very first Turnbuckle champion. And we have travelled the entire country, and we have found what we think are the best competitors to get in the ring and challenge for this, to crown our first ever Turnbuckle champion. I think these guys just want to say a couple of words.
Thank you, CJ. Hello, Warrenwood! Thank you all for coming today. It's been a very special day for all of us at the Hitting the Turnbuckle podcast, but I can't thank Andy enough and the rest of the team. Some of them are over here. Fiona Lochran from Inside the Ropes. She does our NWA bits and pieces. She went to bat for us when nobody else would. The person who does a lot of work behind the scenes at Hitting the Turnbuckle podcast. It's not just about being in front of the podcast and talking to these amazing talents that we've had. But my girlfriend Rachel sitting there does all of the social media bit, all of the most important bits behind the scenes, so she deserves a round of applause. Our other founding father, who's not here because he's around 8,000 miles away in the States, Parker Hamlet, we miss you, we're glad that you're back, and we can't wait to have you on in the future. And finally, where would we be without the man right there? Mr. Dave Robinson, the man who was a bit scared to do a podcast at first, wasn't sure that his Midlands accent would connect with everybody, but it has, well it still doesn't. But we do need you to wake up a bit earlier for our review shows in the morning. Dave Robinson, everybody! And lastly, I'm going to hand over to the man himself, Andy Burrows, to finish it.
Warrenwood, how are we? I just want to say a big thank you as well, really, to CJ, Ignite, everything that they've done for our podcast and everything. It's just incredible. The talent backstage, I cannot tell you what a show you are in for today. But make sure if you want to find us at HTT Buckle on Twitter. We've got Jake the Snake Roberts coming up next week. Diamond Dallas Page is coming on. Raven's coming on. We've got some really big guests coming on. And like CJ said, this is just the start. Enjoy the show. Thanks for coming. All the words here.